Hey everyone, welcome back to Python Series. In this video, I'm going to discuss about, the comparison operators. Comparison operators are basically used for comparing values. So we have a different comparison operators like equal, not equal, greater than, greater than or equal to, as well as less than or equal to. So now let's see how comparison operators are going to work in order to compare values. Okay. So let's say, for example, my question is, let's say I have A equals 10 and I have B equals 20. Great. So now I just want to check is A is same as B. I just want to check whether A and B are same. And I'll give one more, which is C equals 10. So how do you check whether A and B are same? How do you check whether A and B are same? So I'll just use an equal comparison operator, A equal B. It's going to tell me are A and B are same or different. So if they are same, it returns a true. If they are different, it returns a false. See here. Okay, equal comparison operator is checking whether two variables are same or different. Okay, equal comparison operators used for checking whether two objects has same values or different. Okay, if it has the same value, it returns a true. If it has a different values, it returns a false. You can clearly see here, clearly A and B are not the same. It's giving us false. And now let me ask, is A and C are same? So obviously they are same. It's giving me true. Okay, this is all about an equal operator. Similarly, we have a not equal operator. So what not equal operator will do? Not equal operator is also used for checking whether two objects has different values. If else, it will be true, it returns a true, it returns true, else it returns false. Okay, this is all about a not equal. Let me try. I'll just say like, A is not equal to B. Actually true, A and B are not the same. And I'll just say like A not equal to C. But A and C are same, so it just gives you false. If A and B are different, it returns a true. If A and B are same, it returns a false. So this is all about a not equal operator. Okay. So next one, we have a greater symbol. So what it will do, it is used to check whether number is greater than other number. Okay, let's say I just want to check, is 10 greater than 20? Is 10 greater than 20? I'll just say like 10 greater than 20. It gives me false because 10 is not greater than 20. What if my question is 100 greater than 10? Yes, clearly 100 is greater than 10. It gives you true. See, when condition is true, it returns a true. When condition is false, it returns a false. So similarly, you have a less than. Less than is used for checking, whether a number is less than the other one or not. This is less than operator. It's a less than used to check whether given number is less than the other. Okay, if it's less than the other, it gives you true. Otherwise, it just gives you false. Let's say is 2. Or if my question is 2 less than 20? How do you check? 2 less than 20, yeah, which is true. It's just giving like 2 is less than 20, true. Okay, what if my question is 20 less than 4? So clearly 20 is not less than 4. It gives you false. Okay, similarly, you can try with greater than or equal to, less than or equal to as well. What if my question is 20 greater than or equal to 100? Okay, let's check is 20 greater than or equal to 100? So no, false. Greater than or equal to. But here, equal to is not satisfying, right? So it's returning false. Okay, similarly, if I say 20 is greater than or equal to 20, it returns a true. Okay, similarly, you can try with less than. If I say 2 less than or equal to 2, it returns a true. If I say 2 less than or equal to 10, it returns a true. If I say 3 less than or equal to 40, yes, it returns a true. Okay, but here it failed because 20 is not greater than or equal to 100, right? 20 is lesser, so it's failing. So that's the reason it gave us a false. Okay, but if you try like, 100 is greater than or equal to 1000, sorry, 100 is greater than or equal to 100, it's actually true. One of the condition is satisfying, right? So this is all about, the comparison operators which we use in order to compare different values. I hope it's clear. Happy learning.